Hey, good morning, friends. Happy Thursday, October the 17th, 2019. Ah, boy, it's getting windy here. Around 8 a.m., we're supposed to get hit with that nor'easter that's in the area around this, Pennsylvania and Jersey, Boston, all around here. Got some gusty winds coming in. So if you're in this neck of the woods, hunker down. Get ready for it. I got to bring my plants in. I'm worried about my mums flying down the road or something. Cheers. Uh, well, my boy, he was up earlier, went outside and did his job and had some breakfast, and now he's laying down and going back to sleep. He sees the dad's awake, so he's happy that I'm up. Now he can sleep and relax. What the heck? Birthdays today. I got to make this a quick video because I got some running around to do. I'm going to go and look at a motorhome a little bit later on today, a Class A. As I said, today is October the 17th. It's the DJ rapper, whatever you want to say, Eminem. He's 47 years young today. I haven't heard much from him lately. I don't know if he stopped doing his music or what. Excuse me. Alan Jackson, a country singer. It's his birthday today. He's 61 years young. Ziggy Marley. He is 57 years young today. And Evel Knievel. God rest his soul. He was born in 1938 and passed away in 2007. So happy birthday to all of them. I hope they have a great day today. And I think it's Rita Hayward's birthday today. But I don't have any real information on her. So if it's her birthday, God rest her soul, and happy birthday, Rita. All right, folks, that's all I got. Like I said, I had to make it quick. I got to put down my coffee, and I'm going to get cleaned up here and go check out this motorhome. It's I think it's a 34-footer. Class A. If I get any information on it, any good news or anything, I'll post it. I certainly will. Okay. Have a great day, folks. Let me know what it's like in your neck of the woods. What weather you're going to be handling today. I'm worried about down in Cape May. I haven't heard anything yet. I wonder if King Nummy's getting hit with anything. Because I, along with other people, we still have stuff out on our campsites, and if it's windy, could have a mess down there this weekend. All right, folks, take care of yourself. God bless you. I do love you. All right, love your kids and your family because we are not guaranteed tomorrow. Take care. We'll see you later. Good morning, all. Smile.